Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Halloween fun. Tex and Indi's big sister Arizona had a surprise. "Look what I found," she said. "My old Halloween costume box."
"Look, a piggy nose,"
said Indi.
"I'm going to be a pig."
Tex put on a duck mask with a big orange bill.
"Quack, quack,"
he said, flapping his arms.
"Oink, oink,"
Indi snorted back. "Well, if you two are farm animals, I think I'll be the barn cat," said Arizona.
"Meow."
Suddenly, something jumped out of the costume box. The pig and the duck and the barn cat were so surprised that they all jumped back at once. Then they laughed. It was only Cow, all tangled up in a feathered boa. "Silly kitty," said Arizona. "What were you doing in the costume box?"
"Cow's dressing up for Halloween too,"
said Tex.
"Now we have 2 cats on our farm,"
said Indi. "Yes," said Arizona. "1 barn cat and 1 very fancy city cat."